Tired of your dash cam shutting off the moment you park? The Garmin Dash Cam OBD-II power cable promises a steady power supply, so your camera keeps rolling even when your vehicle is turned off. Plug it into your car's OBD-II port, and you're set for continuous recording. Perfect for capturing unexpected moments or parking lot incidents. I recently tried this cable with my Garmin Dash Cam, and it's been a game changer. Installation was straightforward, and it works flawlessly with my passenger car. What's great is that it taps directly into the OBD-II port, drawing power without draining your battery. Though it's designed for passenger vehicles only, not commercial trucks with J1939 connectors. One thing to note: the power options are limited to infinite, 24-hour, or 10-minute modes. I'd love to see a 1 or 3 hour setting for more flexibility, especially if you want to keep an eye on your car while parked at the store without overusing the battery. If you're looking to enhance your Garmin Dash Cam's functionality and protect your vehicle around the clock, this OBD-II power cable is worth a look. It delivers reliable power without complicated wiring or frequent battery worries. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your dash cam setup and enjoy peace of mind wherever you park.